This is a sign of slow charging. Anytime you plug your phone and the charging light indicator of the phone is shaking like this, then you know it's slow charging. If it's not charging point, then you know it's from the damp panel. Then if it's not from the damp panel, then it's from the charging jumper ways solution. Understood? So one of my customer bring this phone to me, that the phone is not charging. Then I replace the damp panel completely, but yet the phone is still very dull to charge. Then I now make use of this jumper wire to fix the problem. You can see the point I make my soldering. You can see the point. Then I cut my jumper wire. Follow this video step by step to learn this. This is how to solve a problem of when a phone is charging but not increasing. Even though you have changed the damp panel, you changed the charging point, but still yet the phone is not increasing any percent. This is how to solve the problem. Keep watching this video step by step. Keep watching step by step, so you know the exactly place I scrape from the screen and where I soldered it to the motherboard point. Keep watching. Keep watching. Make sure you make use of a strong network wire so that it will not still dull the charging. Okay? Then after you have laid the jumper wire or network wire, then the next thing is to solder it in this place. Don't worry guys, I will still show you guys where I'm soldering it. Don't worry, I will still show you guys where I soldered it. You can see it here. You can see it very clear where I soldered it. The place I soldered it is still the charging positive connection from the board to the screen. Understand? So you may ask, why did I solder it to the screen? The place which I soldered it to the screen is also the charging connection that comes from the damp panel. Understand? So as you can see, this method work very fine. But there's still another method we are going to try if this method did not work. Keep watching. You see the phone is now charging. The phone is charging. But there is another method which I prefer you guys should also learn. The same problem but different solution. The same problem but different solution. Look at it here. You can see that I draw this one direct to the damp panel of the phone. So this method work very fine than the first method I show you guys before. So running a jumper wire from the damp panel direct to this point to the motherboard, which you guys are seeing from up, charge faster than the one I displayed to you guys earlier. Understand? So as you are watching, make sure you are clicking the share button so that another technician can learn as well.